everybody, in this video you will find explanation of Act 2 Scene 4. The scene takes place in Venice, a street where Gratiano, Lorenzo, Celerino and Salanio are present. This scene is a subplot of Jessica's elopement with Lorenzo. Lancelot delivers a letter, Jessica's letter, to Lorenzo, and Lorenzo informs Gratiano of how Jessica would be disguised as a torchbearer to elope with Lorenzo and will also be furnished with the jewels and money which she would steal from Shylock. Now, let's come to the detailed explanation of the scene. Lorenzo: Nay, we will slink away in supper time. No, we will slip off at the supper time, disguise us at my lodging, and return all in an hour. Disguise ourselves at my place, and then come back in an hour. They were planning to have a masked party where they would attend disguised. Gratiano: We have not made good preparation. We have not made good arrangements for ourselves yet. Celerino: We have not spoke as yet of torchbearers, and we have not even arranged for us torchbearers. So for torchbearers, the gentlemen who would participate in that procession would be preceded by an attendant who carried a lighted torch. Salanio: It's vile, unless it may be quaintly ordered, and better in my opinion not undertook. It is disgusting until it is arranged in style, and if not arranged in style, in my opinion, we should not attempt it at all. Lorenzo: It's now but 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us. It is 4 o'clock now, and we have 2 hours left to get ourselves ready. Enter Lancelot with a letter. The letter that was given by Jessica to be given to Lorenzo. Friend Lancelot, what's the news? Lancelot: What is the information? Lancelot: It shall please you to break up this, it shall seem to signify. And if you please to break the seal of the letter, it has some information for you. Lancelot hands the letter to Lorenzo. Lorenzo: I know the hand in faith. It's a fair hand and whiter than the paper it writ on. Is the fair hand that writ. I know the handwriting, and it was done by a hand which is more white than the paper that it is written on. Gratiano: Love news in faith. Love letter indeed. Lancelot: By your leave, sir. May I leave now, sir? Lorenzo: Whither goest thou? Where are you going? Lancelot: Marry, sir, to bid my old master the Jew to sup tonight with my new master the Christian. Sir, to invite my old master the Jew, that is Shylock, to dine tonight with my new master the Christian, that is Bassanio. Lorenzo: Hold here, take this, give money. Tell gentle Jessica I will not fail her, speak it privately. Lorenzo gives money to Lancelot and says that inform Jessica that I will keep her promise. Keep my promise and speak this to her privately, secretly. Go, gentlemen. Exit Lancelot. Lancelot leaves the stage. Will you prepare you for this mask tonight? Will you prepare yourself for the mask party tonight? I am provided of a torchbearer. I am provided with a torchbearer, and that is Jessica, who will be disguised as a torchbearer. Celerino: I marry. I will be gone about it straight. Yes, I will be gone and arrange for a torchbearer for myself. Salanio: And so will I, and I will do the same. Lorenzo: Meet me and Gratiano at Gratiano's lodging some hour hence. Meet Gratiano and me at Gratiano's place after about an hour. Celerino, it's good we do so. It's good that we do that. So they agree upon to meet at Gratiano's place after some time. Exeunt Celerino and Salanio, and both of them leave the stage. Gratiano, was not that letter from fair Jessica? Is this not the letter come from beautiful Jessica? Lorenzo, I must needs tell thee all. I must tell you everything. She had directed how I shall take her from our father's house. Jessica has instructed in this letter how I would take her from her father's house. What gold and jewels she is furnished with, what gold and jewelry she will be supplied with, what page suit she hath in readiness, what uniform of a servant that she hath ready with her. If ever the Jew her father come to heaven, it will be for his gentle daughter's sake. If ever Shylock is admitted to heaven, it will happen because of her gentle daughter Jessica. And never dare misfortune cross her foot unless she do it under this excuse. And misfortune, if ever dares to come across her, it can happen only under the excuse that she is issued to a faithless Jew, that she is a daughter of Shylock. Come, go with me, purse this as thou goest. Fair Jessica shall be my torchbearer. Come along with me and read as we go. Full Jessica will be my torchbearer. So this is their plan of elopement. As Jessica had instructed in the letter, she will be disguised as a torchbearer, furnished with the jewels and ducats of her father, Shylock, and elope with Lorenzo. With this, I end the explanation of Act 2, Scene 4. Thank you.